say onyankopon ya ndisi fadom moya majority of parliament ebe pa ne simu kwan sabe we die be pa ne wo papa John Dramani Mahama
abusia for Gyidi koko sofo yi eni abre John Dramani Mahama so fa ensemo a o ka kire na no den se wo so kwa Assemblies of God dia eni lbgtq no wo so de nsa hyase enya sa God punishing ene ensem ensa na makambo mu amede ensem no eba besumo enipa ni nyina e ka ensem ba akope na ensem woni pa ni mu bi nso esen ka ne se witchcraft bill no eno so John Dramani Mahama ote wo ye dey edi enti no pese wo de nsa ebe hyase na wasan na Ghana for ehun se ampa oye Kristo ni osun nyame ade nyame empen ono so empe abusia po yandoh a oye NPP ni no ono so ba be di nkomu bi a otu warning bi edima John Dramani Mahama wose on di no nkonim se nka John Dramani Mahama ebetena abenwa no so a enka de nkobedi nkan asan eye LGBTQ enna nkobedi nkan de nsa hyase asan witchcraft bill no eno so ode nsa ebe hyase na so watena so ehun se enya de John Dramani Mahama obeye enkomo twetwe bi su koso ewo Oyerepa FM the same asem na nipa no a true stone edema John Dramani Mahama na say John ene you ready na ensemi fa won sa hyase ne sane
say onyankopon ya ndisi fadom moya majority of parliament ebe pa ne simu kwan sabe we die be pa ne wo papa John Dramani Mahama omampani wadawroma sabe we sign bo humode na sign na fa Gyidi papa bi to na ko na say want to me say NDC for more parliament want to me an ye be we want to man fan ko mo mampani mo mampani an sign na so mampani fi akonya we so kwa ebe ye ni guase ama mo papa ebe ye ni guase ama mo na yankopon ni mu ni yie aya boni aya chiwade aya de aya de papa afi asofo mpanimfo a mo be o mampani John Dramani Mahama Assemblies of God so for penny papa wo ya ho de ni aya de o mampani Mahama ko Assemblies of God so penny ni to
kwasam
enti afoto be na mo de papa ha afoto be na mo de man and that's all Kasana was a woman, some will be Casa, some way in priority. Now, what you want to no, in the name of when your diplomatic passport. Yes, sir. What the time would be to the Yamam when I'm with you? They say, I saw for four. Yeah, did you kind of go for the bond? I want to bond the truth. Say, I saw for no, I ever. That's why most women be in general win off. How? No, me come minor. We are so far with him.
no kwasam
man you want just we are so for when you land cruiser your mouth as I coffee we make go ablet yo eba kanye nyinara na se munim na se we are so for na se we are NDC ni we are MPP ni so for na se NDC ya de bi na nyane wantumi anka na se the same thing na MPP ni kwaya na wo ka nya metwa ka enti asofofo bi o wantumi anka sa wo ekufu at the time and now more kasa God will punish them sana asofobia and so mo so kasa na so mo konya bibia diwa and this amamu to muntumi kasa no se baby and this bono mo kasa God will punish them
abusia say God will punish them dia ene na dia asem ena po yandoh ono so editu da inti
Mahamah osane bills be 6 we say na de man ye me su ya na junu besia na me se de man me re ho ye fitienra besi enene se enkofo a wono omo kasa I'm from CSOs
civil society organizations
anyansabo akwafo wo mo animdie ni nyansa ewo mo na president etimi ka kire wo mo se ontimi nsaine turumu a bill no de enye a matter of priority
nya de hia Ghana fo
aduane sem ba bia nipa beda hwan ene ehia no sese ye wo se wo hwe no wo ye Oheba enti na nado time no na nipa didi ame na bibia akoso yie mayen madam fubi o se wakofa girl bi na wo wie me nwa na girl na dane ha so ama no se aka enti wo twen Emma President Mahamah sign the bill no na ko dey just was stop it the other part no it is say madam for na any problem mama no say president si wonya e be solve aduane ne hwa eti tumu amanfo di ewo oman mu a president ka kire ye say ontimi sign the problem is you amanfo fa o how ni abebresemu na ayemi yes president friends John Mahamah enyo no so ye Assemblies of God and our jai me am proud. I'm a proud Assemblies of God member. It's me dear me ba me ye na ma ye ma sign it adie na wetima frɛ nyansabo akwafo yi na wetima kasa asɛm wo ya kyerɛ wo mo sɛ ɔheba wokɔ asen north by election Libya ana wukotie se ne NDC fo no e kyerɛkyerɛ turumudie a kyerɛ nkrɔfo
yeah what their major campaign to kana na do airport one na so so
so
the be ya on sign
me say ye ko mo de fantasy no ko was it na na do so sodo wo de open kwan no was sign turumudie wo mo de fantasy na ka wo ho me je wona me say NDC president na chechemu atofo say ena na chechemu yie e
chechemu what can say
what's the truth na na do so turumuzi so o behwe ma turumu wa akodo what the fati na chechemu chewo mo let me say
abusia na de esi wo Oyerepa FM de na eya hodwiri asemo a enipa na e ka che John Dramani Mahamah ne say we disgrace to Assemblies of God so we get to say okwasore yenti sem ebia ene da odi e discover channel na subscribe to the channel next video many pam ensa enkabi afi comment section wotini e chere mahwene ndimu ene nyansem
Dramani Mahamah he is a disgrace to the Church of Assemblies of God.
Oh, how?
Yes. President Mahamah is a disgrace to the Church of Assemblies of God. Say who no sorry.
Assemblies of God.
Yes, Assemblies of God. She yeti krum ha. Enna eni ichese. President kasa weni breni ahohare se ekwan bia so. E wo se yes sign sa LGBTQ plus one the minister Sam George o kasa ase ne yirabo no ase oni ne yira nya ichi wo fie
oh how
that man nobody owns his happiness oh
yeah munya botre
that guy nobody owns his happiness.
He's a minister
Me catch it me say that guy nobody owns his happiness when he is talking in public. As if that's an adjourn and a year yasem. A one passo. As if one year yasem one passo, and I will buy and over pour that, you know, a buffoono, a dear good Ghana force. My friend, know what you are doing. For now, he is the worst performing minister that in the era of Massa, now me I don't cry who says wasa bonkra. Wasa abon. Let me tell you this.
Tell me.
If say wouldn't say obia yade, next had any pan ye no enkoyi and I say ebinum so ye mani ye. You know what you are supposed to do. Check your phone so. Who say ebia or sim no enkonate ma Ghana kada. Ye be go and do the needful. And one no. And if you are here to tell how many days, weeks are taking me outside and me register me sim you know. I will say catch him to go and waste that time to be. With him, Massa, share young crow. Young crown at Titicum. Nia sorry at Nasiama. Sorry, no be any open now, also be can open now. And ne, wo John Dramani Mahamah, President of Ghana. Wo call you call US, I will call we say, I am from my wound. More than somebody by reparation, or one way, somebody. Or man, or today. And later, I say, or more cast of the man or deny it. They won't deny. Or the other thing I won't deny. I didn't want to deny say. Oh, there's who because Massa say by force. Massa Okokoria many be or deny it. A Kufuado, President Kufuado, former President Kufuado. I was one now man for obi a man, Dr. Bako, and yes, I President your mama Kai. None you come. Want it. And you know, Coco, say, President, the other we were Jumana Kofi and Sana will be a Juma, oh, yeah, and my Dr. to the Amam. President Dramani Mahamah. He is a disgrace to the Church of Assemblies of God. Oh, how? Yes. President Mahamah is a disgrace to the Church of Assemblies of God. Say, sorry. Assemblies of God. Yes, Assemblies of God.